Kangan Institute's Automotive Centre of Excellence, or ACE, at Docklands has revolutionised TAFE training for automotive apprentices. Like a shiny new car, the ACE building at Docklands is designed to be a status symbol, with a sleek, modern facade and large windows filling the interior full of natural light. Its 5-star Green Star rating, with natural air conditioning, echoes the automotive industry's shift to more environmentally friendly, smart technology. Behind the glass, the steel and the concrete, the training areas are pristine, featuring the latest state-of-the-art technology and offering simulated workshops catering from everything from motorcycles to large trucks. School leavers are no longer shunning an automotive career. ACE trains over 3,000 automotive students every year. ACE is much more than a great-looking building. Working with companies including Cali Racing, MyCar, WPC Group, Repair Hub, Westar Trucks, Sheen Group, Renault Australia, Cummins South Pacific, Toyota Australia, Capital Smart Repairs, Ventura Bus Lines, William Adams, Jaguar Land Rover, AGCO, the list goes on. ACE offers client-specific training resources, specialised product-trained teachers and client-endorsed supplier training to all of our groups. When ACE trains apprentices from the industry, it engages suppliers like Viva Energy, SP Tools and Gates. Why? These companies use these products in their workshops. It is the ability to tailor training to the individual needs of employers that has seen the annual apprentice intake from clients such as MyCar increase from just 6 in the beginning to between 70 and 80 today. This highly flexible training environment, known as a Class of 1, is also evident in ACE's timetabling, which is customised to meet the needs of the individuals, not the classes. The unique model recognises that an apprentice could be employed at any time of the year, not just in February or July, so the training schedules at ACE must have the ability to do this. The model, coupled with the latest online courseware, mean that the attendee numbers can differ from as many as 200 from one day to the next. Around 600 apprentices and trainees can do their training without stepping a foot inside ACE, while another 900 will attend for just 30 days of the year. Those who attend in person can move at their own pace. The classroom model, where everyone learns the same thing at the same time, is history. If the apprentice completes their work early, they can move into the next subject without having to wait for their classmates to catch up. Completion of training is no longer determined by the time of the year, but rather by the apprentice's level of competency that is agreed to by their employer and the teaching staff. The Class of 1 also includes systems to provide employers with weekly updates on how their apprentice is doing. If an apprentice is absent from ACE, the employer is notified the same day. Teachers are supported to spend more time teaching and less time doing the administration. This model is so successful, it will soon be rolled out across Bendigo, TAFE and Kangan Institute. In fact, it is so highly regarded, it is now being replicated in India, one of the fastest growing economies in the world.